Welcome back to the Auto Vibe. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most exciting and practical additions to the motorhome world, the 2026 Dacia Motorhome Camper Van. Known for its reputation of affordability, functionality, and rugged simplicity, Dacia has taken its first bold step into the motorhome segment. But this isn't just a basic camper. The 2026 model offers a surprising mix of practicality, clever design, and budget-friendly travel luxury that might just make it the perfect entry point for anyone dreaming of life on the road. On the outside, the 2026 Dacia Motorhome carries the brand's new design identity forward. It's built on a stretched van platform, giving it a sturdy and boxy profile, but with refined details that make it stand out. The front fascia features a modernized grille with Dacia's new badge, paired with sharp LED headlamps and a rugged bumper. The camper van rides higher than a typical van, sitting on all-terrain wheels that suggest confidence whether you're parked in a city street or off on a forest trail. Clean body lines run along the sides, interrupted by flush-mounted windows and a smartly integrated side door. A pop-up roof section hints at its dual-purpose nature, allowing for extra headroom or even a sleeping loft. Step inside, and the 2026 Dacia Motorhome surprises with its clever use of space. The cabin immediately feels brighter thanks to skylights and wide-side windows, and the overall design embraces minimalism without losing comfort. The lounge area is formed by swiveling front seats that turn to face a compact dining table, with a bench seat completing the setup. At the rear, a foldable bed system transforms the space between sleeping and storage with ease. The kitchen, while compact, is thoughtfully equipped with a dual-burner stove, a sink, a refrigerator, and ample storage tucked neatly into the cabinetry. Materials lean towards durability, with wipe-clean fabrics and textured finishes. But Dacia has added small touches of warmth with soft LED lighting and contrasting trim. A bathroom may seem ambitious in a van of this size, but Dacia has managed to include a compact wet room with a shower and a chemical toilet, making the camper van truly self-sufficient. The pop-up roof not only expands the standing space but can also house a second sleeping area, turning this motorhome into a four-berth family-friendly option. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Dacia Motorhome sticks to its ethos of practicality. It's expected to come with a choice of efficient petrol and diesel engines, alongside a plug-in hybrid variant for eco-conscious travelers. Power figures may not be headline-grabbing, but the focus is on reliability and long-distance comfort. The suspension is tuned to handle both highways and rougher back roads, ensuring versatility. Modern driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a digital cockpit display bring it up to speed with the latest tech expectations. And of course, one of Dacia's biggest selling points is price. While luxury motorhomes from premium brands can easily cost hundreds of thousands, the 2026 Dacia camper van is expected to start at a fraction of that, likely under $45,000 in its base form. Even fully equipped models with the pop-up roof and hybrid drivetrain should remain competitively priced, opening the motorhome lifestyle to a whole new audience. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome Camper Van proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy the freedom of the open road. It's practical, clever, and affordable. A motorhome designed for real people with real adventures in mind.